Now let's see the equation for linear equation in two variables. So what will be the equation? Now let's first discuss. Suppose that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. And a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, and c is also not equal to 0. Then x plus by plus c will be an equation of two variables, or linear equation in two variables. Suppose a equal to 5, b equal to 3 and c equal to 7, and the values of a, b and c if put in this equation, then what will be the equation? Suppose x plus by plus c is equal to 0, then we replace a by 5, then 5x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So this will be the equation, and this equation will be called linear equation in two variables, because in this equation we have two variables, x and y. X and y are variables, and a is real number, b is real number, and c is also real number. So this is the basics of linear equation in two variables. So this is the equation. This is the equation, linear equation in two variables. As we know that variable means what? Variable means any literal terms, x, y, z, whose value can frequently change. Means that if x equal to 1, then x will be minus 1, x will be 5. Similarly, y is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, any value. And if z is equal to 7, so z equal to also minus 7. So any value can be taken by x, y, z. So these are called variables. So in the equation, if we have two variables x and y, any literal term in the form of variable, then this equation is called the linear equation in two variables. Now we will see the pair of linear equation in two variables. This pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair means, as you know, that two, दो होना चाहिए. अभी हमने एक इक्वेशन की बात किया, अब हम लोग दो इक्वेशन को देखेंगे. So what will be the equation for pair of linear equation in two variables? Suppose that this will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So both the equations are also called simultaneous. Both the equations are called simultaneous linear equation in two variables, or pair of linear equation in two variables. So this equation can be represented as equation 1 and this equation can be represented as equation 2. Suppose for equation 1, for equation 1, if a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c is equal to 4, then what will be the equation first? Suppose that this one is a1, b1 and c1. a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to 4. So what will be the equation first? a1x plus vy plus c1 is equal to 0, or a1x means 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this will be equation 1. Similarly, for equation 2, what is equation 2? If a2 equal to 10, b2 equal to 7 and c2 is equal to 15, then from equation 2, a2x plus c2y plus b2y, b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then a2 10, so 10x plus 7y plus 15 is equal to 0. So this will be equation 2. So if both two equations, so what will be the equation? Now let us see. So ultimately we find the equation 1 is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and 10x plus 7y plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is, what will be the name of this equation? The name of this equation, a pair of linear equation in two variables. This is also called simultaneous. This equation is also called simultaneous equation. एक ऐसा इक्वेशन जिसमें दो इक्वेशंस होंगे हमारे पास. अब दोनों का वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि हम कैसे इनको वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. तो इस सेक्शन में हम लोगों ने देखा, सबसे पहले तो हमने देखा कि ग्राफ को हम लोग कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ग्राफ कैसे ड्रॉ किया जाता है, ग्राफ में डिफरेंट कोऑर्डिनेट्स को कैसे हम लोग एक्स और वाई का जो वैल्यूज होता है उसको हम लोग पुट करते हैं और ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने देखा कि पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, इसे हम लोग साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन भी कहते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखें कि व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन फॉर अ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स में लिनियर इक्वेशन का क्या फार्मूला होगा, x प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0. फिर हमने देखा कि पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, इसका फार्मूला हमने देखा. तो ये इसका फार्मूला है, a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the format, this is the equation for simultaneous equation. So in class 10 में chapter number 3, in class 10 especially in CBSE, this is also in all syllabus, ICSE also, wherever linear equation in two variable is studied, this is the basic concepts of linear equation is used, and what I have explained here, this is very simple, and the questions are in this format: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the basic form, basic. This is the basic format, and this is the equation. Students will face such questions. Student will face such questions to solve out. So, in next section, we will try to draw the graph of this. Before this, we will also try the different conditions of graphs. So now you continue with us, and you must see our next lecture on simultaneous linear equation or pair of linear equation in two variables. Thank you. Thank you very much.